What's going on, everybody? We're just getting back a few days ago from Back to the 50s up in Minnesota. Great show. If you've never been, check that show out. One of the things that we're doing here, something that our research Ford guy was very excited about, is this new GT steering wheel. So we want to take a minute, let Keith tell you a little more about this steering wheel and why he likes it so much.
So Ford had a sport steering wheel option available on the F-150s, full-size Broncos from 78 up, Granadas, Mustangs, Capris. They're very popular with the crowds who want to try to upgrade their truck a little bit using factory-style accessories. But the factory sport steering wheels are very hard to find and they're very expensive when you get them. We have recently brought into our catalogs a very good replica of that, slightly smaller. These are 14 3/4 inch, but they're available in either chrome or black, just like the factory wheels. These are 14 3/4 inch in diameter, leather wrapped, and would be the perfect final touch to fixing up the interior truck and still having something that looks reasonably OE. So check out your catalog.
Okay, now something that I did see when we were putting this one on is there is no dish to this like the previous one that we had on it. We did have the long turn signal lever on it, so if you do get the steering wheel and you've got the long turn signal, you might want to switch over to the short one because it sets right up against that steering wheel. All right, thanks for looking.